Hello students, welcome in chapter 10 straight lines. Students, today I continue our exercise 10.2 question number 6, different variation forms of our lines. Before starting 6 some students, I just again revise our 6 point. First, vertical horizontal line, second, slope point equations, third, 2 points equations, fourth our same as our slope and intercepted lines. Similarly, going ahead, one of the normal forms. Yes students, now I today continue our sixth one, intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin and making an angle 30 with the positive direction of x-axis and line derived. So students, here our y-axis, that's the x-axis, and y-axis above the 2 units means here 1 unit, here 2 unit. This point definitely you can say 0, 2, and here one of the line is passing through at the place of a 0, 2 and making an angle, how much? It is 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. So this degree given means easily you find out slopes. So slope of required line is m tan theta, and theta I known 30 degree and tan 30 also known 1 by root 3, that the slopes and passing through 0, 2. Therefore required line having slope, what is slope? Which is 1 by root 3 and passing through. Students, simple, you will check passing through your points a 0, 2, that I indicate x1, y1. Now that is passing through, that is slope. So by slope point equation, what the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, and apply the value. Y1 I have 2, slope 1 by root 3, and x1 become 0. So your data root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to x. Now rearrange. So x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. That's your answer students, simple and easy way. Now continue question number 7. Find the equation of line passing through 2 points. Passing through the points what that? A minus 1, 1 and B 2, minus 4. Students, you just taking minus 1, 1 and 2 minus 4. Only I take x1, y1 and B x2, y2. Now 2 points known, I go to, yes, exactly, you correct thinking, 2 points forming. So by 2 point form y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So does this property for your equation of the line forming by 2 points passing through on it. So y1 I have 1, x1 I have minus 1. Now y2 minus y1. So minus 4 minus 1, x2 minus x1. It is 2 minus minus 1. And you will derive simple calculations. So students, I just operate here y minus 1 by x plus 1. It get minus 5 by 3. Now cross multiply on it, 3y minus 3 minus 5x minus 5. Minus 5x minus 5. Now rearrange. So 5x plus 3y minus 3 plus 5. So 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. 5 minus 3. And that the students, your general equation derive. What is general equation of line? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now I continue students. Question number 8. In same as we moving ahead to further. Indirectly exercise 10.2 also students, very easy and simple. So one more questions. Question number 8. Our 8 is find the equation of line that given perpendicular distance from origin is 5 unit and the angle made by the perpendicular with the x-axis is degree given 30. So very easy. We going here perpendicular distance. It means which property? Yes, our sixth property, normal form. Students, that's your drawing. Here x-axis, y-axis, origin, and that's the way of your line. This is the distance here, perpendicular distance. P is equal to 5. And this degree, I know that 30. And equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. P is what? Perpendicular distance from origin. So I just going here. P is what? 5 units. And alpha what? 30 degree. So by normal form property, you know very well, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. And apply students value for alpha. Cos 30, sin 30, and P is what? Yes, your P is exactly 5. Now 30 degree, you know that both of the putting that value, sin 30 half, cos 30 3 by 2. So required line root 3x plus 1y is equal to 5 to 10. That's your students numerical, easily and happily we done. But you check also your answer in which form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here I also explained one more extra sum. Don't going question number 9, extra sum. For you, specially I explain here extra numerical. If line given this one, root 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0, and making alpha and p, you can find out here p perpendicular distance and alpha to degree with the measure with x-axis to perpendicular segment. That type asking. Answer I know that 30 and 5, but how can we derive? Very easy. First of all, you compare ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We compare with a root 3, b1, c minus 10. So what is the p indicate? Perpendicular distance. Yes. Now, perpendicular distance from origin is called P modulus C by under root a square plus b square. And now students, C known, A known, B known. You just apply here minus 10 below under root 3 square plus 1 square. And that I know 10 by root 4. 10 by 2, which is 5. Check your original equations value coming. But now I derive alpha also. So students, we will going ahead now. Equation of line. That type equation also asking in exam. That's why I explain here two extra sums. Students, here I want to p. How much? 5. But I have 10. Divide to both sides. So root 3 by 2x, half y, and 10 by 2. But that how much? 5. And here the root 3 by 2x plus half y is equal to 5. And you check these equations is exactly compare with normal form. So here we compare with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So students, what is the cos alpha and what is the sin alpha? You can simple check, it is a positive, and both positive means you are in first quadrant. You are here. All STC wise both are positive. That's why students we will write down 10 alpha sin by cos, which is 1/2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3. So when a 10, 1 by root 3, 30 degree. And check, that's your degree cover to according to questions 8. This is a straight numerical, but a reverse question also asking. Sometimes students, you getting your second quadrant. So here you write down second quadrant 10 alpha negative coming, and second quadrant 10 what? 90 plus, either 180 minus. If you third quadrant coming, then yes, 180 plus, and fourth quadrant coming, then 360 minus, write down either 270 plus. That students, your extra numerical also easily done. Now I going slowly our 9th sum. It's also very easy and very simple. Question number 9. Yes, 9 is a IMP numerical. Many time asking in final exam. In a triangle PQR, P21 Q minus 23, P21 Q minus 23 and R 4,5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. Yes, through the vertex R. Very easy. Just of all, I draw that one of the triangle P, Q and in R. I want to median through R means that is my median. And students, here I will take one of the midpoint it. And midpoint formula we know that P I have 2,1, Q and R 4,5. First of all, you derive this M value by midpoints. So here MR is median of the triangle PQR. Therefore, midpoint M x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, same. And now value apply. What is x1, x2? Yes, my M coordinate is a minus 2 plus 2 by 2, same 1 plus 3 by 2. So my answer is 0, 2. 2 plus 2, 0. Here 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 2. That's I create 2, 0, 2. Now I want to equation of median through R. It means R and M, 2 points. I know that. And now apply my formula, 2-point equations wise. And formula known, you students. So respectively, you attach your value 1 by 1. So now R I taking our 4, 5, which is x1, y1, and M is a 0, 2, which is x2 y2. Now I want to equation of median. Therefore, equation of median MR, either RM. 2 point forming y minus y1, x minus x1. Here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And students, you know the property by 2 points whenever you given, then putting r x1 y1 m02. y1 I have 5, x1, what is x1? 4. Yes, y1 5, x1 4. And now your y2 minus y1, 2 minus 5, x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4. Now you will take calculations. So y minus 5, x minus 4, minus 3 by minus 4. That get minus 3 by minus 4. How much? Minus minus gone. It is 3 by 4. Now cross multiply 4 y minus 5, 3 x minus 4. So 4y minus 5 for the 20, 3x 4 is 12, and rearrange. So 3x minus 12 minus 4y plus 20. In short, 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y, and minus 12 plus 20, it gets students 8. And here your median MR done. Sometime asking also the median P to D, this median. Same also Q to R, I mean here E. You can create that, and easily you can going this numerical also in big parts. Yes, one of the median to MR, also QE and also PD. Now continue students. Question number 10 is also similarly I going ahead slowly. My 10th question is find the equation of line passing through given. Yes, find the equation of line passing through available that minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line passing through the points. Yes, to the line through the points, one of the 2 5 and another of the minus 3 comma 6. Again I check a line passing through that minus 3 comma 5 perpendicular to the line through 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. Yes students, very easy but lengthy sum. Consider that is your line A to B points have given 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. But I want to AB line perpendicular, means this is a perpendicular line, point M, and that is the line L. I derive the part and passing through known. Here one of the passing through given minus 3 comma 5. So students, I first of all derive slope of AB line and passing through given that line L slope derive, and that you get answer. So first of all I start slope of what? Line AB. You know students, slope definition, there are 4 definitions. I going to point wise. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 in A and B. 6 minus 5 by minus 3 minus 2. Their slope indicate M1. So 1 by minus 5. 6 minus 5 by minus 3 minus 2. But students, L perpendicular to AB. So what is the property for perpendicular lines between them? Yes, slope of AB line into slope of L line is equal to minus 1. AB line slope M1 consider, that M2. And what is the M1? Minus 1 by 5. m2 same as, so m2 become 5. That the students, this slope is ready. So here you write down that is slope m2, which is how much? 5. Now you look at that. According to AB slope, I easily ready for L slopes. And slope ready, passing through point known, it means slope point. You get the answer. So by slope point formed, equation of line L having slope, what is slope? That m2 5, and passing through, yes, passing through known that P minus 3 comma 5, and that's the students, easily you going to your slope point forming and derive our answer in simple way. So our answer is ready. Equation of the slope point equations, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Students, x1 y1 is this minus 3 comma 5. So y1 is a 5. Slope of the line L is a m2 5, and x1 become minus 3. So minus 3 apply, 5 apply. Now you derive y minus 5 is equal to 5x minus minus plus 5 3 is a 15. Yes students, x plus 5 and 5x plus 15. So 5x minus y plus 15 plus 5. So 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. That's your simple way. Your equation of line L, which is perpendicular to AB but passing through what? P. Now continue your question number 11. 11 also students, very easy numerical. A line perpendicular to segment joining and divides the ratio in 1:n. Find the equation of line. Yes, find the equation of line. Consider a line perpendicular. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points, our given that 1 0 and secondly 2 3, and divides in is the ratio 1:n. Again I check my questions. 1 0 and 2 3 divides in the ratio 1:n. Okay students, this also you tick mark in the very most IMP numerical. Consider that's your segment A and B. Okay, A known 1 0, B known 2 3, but I want that perpendicular, not a midpoint. Read that. Find the equation but perpendicular line L, which is ratio divided in 1:n. So I anyhow first derive m points. After that slope utilizations. So first of all students, I go to m points. Yes, here point M is divides AB in the ratio what? 1:n from A side. So you can students simple apply your ratio wise formula, coordinate of M, formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. I just derive 1x2 plus nx1 1 plus n, same as here, and you can operate your value. X2 x1 you know that x2 is 2, x1 is 1. same as 3 and here 0. So you get the value 2 plus n by n plus 1, comma, here 3 plus 0, n plus 1. This point I just written here, 2 plus n plus 1, comma, 3 by n plus 1. Now students, one more part, I want to line L. So slope of AB derive first and then after perpendicular according to that already I explained you. So I going ahead, now slope of AB and then after slope of line L. Cover. So very easily we can show that plotting. So now slope of our line segment AB, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, apply in A to B. So 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1, which have to 3, that is M1 slope. But wait students, 3 minus 0 by 2 minus 1, you can get 3 by 1, but it is perpendicular to L. So I just write down but L perpendicular to line segment AB. Therefore property known, M1 into M2 minus 1, 3 into M2 minus 1, M2 become minus 1 by 3, and that's your value. M2 create minus 1 by 3. So it is here you can write down our slope. How much? Minus 1/3. Now slope ready. Line L passing through known, that already I derived here. It means by slope point I going. Therefore by slope point equation of line L, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So does m means slope that minus 1/3. Either you can write down here n2 and that create x1 y1. So my y1 is known, slope is minus 1/3 and x1 is also known. So systematically I applied at y1, this y1, 3 by n plus 1. x1 is 2 plus n by n plus 1. And now students take LCM. So our answer is coming here, y with n plus 1 minus 3 by n plus 1. This side minus 1/3 same, x with n plus 1, x with n plus 1, minus 2 minus n, and LCM becomes same as, so does that n plus 1 you can cut down of the both sides, and now other are rearranged. So here n plus 1 y minus 3 minus 1/3, n plus 1 with x, minus 2 minus n, minus 2 minus n. Now students, 3 multiply upside, so 3 times n plus 1 into y, 3 3s are 9, is equal to minus 1 with n plus 1 into x plus 2 plus n. Again I check, minus 1 with n plus 1x plus 2 plus n. Now finally you can arrange your answer, ax plus by plus c. So I write down here this part, I check right to left, n plus 1x plus 3 times n plus 1y minus 9 minus 2 minus n. So my answer is n plus 1x 3 times n plus 1y minus n minus 11, 9 and 2, that 11. Now here students, your question number easily 11th done. Now I moving ahead slowly continue to 12th one. Find the equation of line given having equal intercepted and passing through some points available, and that way students I explained to about our question number 12th one. So students, I continue our question number 12. This is also very most IMP. Find the equation of line cuts that cuts off equal intercept cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through, given that passing through the points 2, 3. Yes students, here in your textbook answer only one given, that is the mistake in textbook. Here are the two answers are possible. I just draw, my drawing is y here, x 2, 3 approximately here 1, 2 and 3. You are here. So one of the passing through that points, that's your equal intercepts made. Either this answer is also true, because 0, 0 passing through also having equal intercepts. So I create two answers. And can I take equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Yes. So required intercepted line. Students, again I told intercepted, not intersected. Intercepted line, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, having both intercept are equal. It means a is equal to b, because a and b both are x-intercept by intercepts. So can I write down x by a plus y by a? X plus y is equal to a, and that line is passing through 2, 3. It's passing through what? 2, 3. So you just apply here a 2, 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to a become 5. Finally you can create required equation x plus y is equal to a. Students, x plus y is equal to 5. Here your textbook answer done. But I telling one more, this answer is also possible to in your intercepted. If you equal, then you necessary show. It's a compulsory, because origin passing through, your intercepts are must be same, and also passing through 2, 3. So also if both intercept are same, then what? Then line passing must be origin 0, 0. Therefore I will check a 2, 3 is x1, y1, and origin I will take x2, y2, and apply formula 2 points. So equation of line AO is a y minus y1, x minus x1, and that side y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And simple, you apply your value. So y minus y1 is 3, x minus x1 is 2, y2 minus y1, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 2, which is 3 by 2, and make the cross multiply. So 2 times y minus 3, 3 times x minus 2, 2y minus 6 is equal to 3x minus 6. Your answer 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. This answer also, students, you can say that is the correct answer for passing through origin, and these lines 3x minus 2y equal to 0, and these are x plus y is equal to 5, equal intercepts. So here also, students, our 2 answers are easily done, and question number 12. Students, here I stop this part up to 12th, and further explanation exercise 10.2 I explain you in the next part. Bye bye.